These are the Sennheiser HD206 headphones, economical headphones with Sennheiser quality. And I'm going to show you everything about these headphones, the characteristics, quality and demonstrations, to know everything about these headphones. But first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. The physical characteristics, they are over-ear type. They are placed around the ear to reduce external noise and hear better. They are padded on the ears, but also on top in the head, with sponges with artificial leather. The sponges will rest on the face around the ear to be more comfortable. The headphones have a wire, which should be 3 meters long, but later I will measure the actual size to confirm that. It uses a 3.5mm audio connection to connect to the equipment. And it weighs 215 grams, so very lightweight, one of the lightest I ever tested. Now I'm going to do a demonstration with the music. I'll put the music on the computer, then on the headphones, and then you will listen to the digital sound. But the sound from the computer or headphones, the quality is subjective because it's recorded with my microphone. So I'm going to start the music now. This is the sound that comes from the computer. Now the sound from the headphones with the same music. This was the sound in the headphones, and now you are going to hear the digital music with the real quality. So, in this test, with this music that has a lot of low tones, I notice that the bass sounds doesn't have much quality in these headphones. These headphones cannot reproduce low tones with great quality. But these headphones are economical and they aren't built with the best technology for that. Although it is from the Sennheiser brand, the audio quality is not the best. But they are not bad. This was another video about the Sennheiser HD206 headphones, but there will be more videos to learn everything about these headphones and decide if you should buy this product. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week and I will bring more headphones.